Hi, welcome to Shop Stop. Today we want to talk a little bit about circuit protection.
We've got several devices here to show you. First of all, we've got some systems that use the regular old long round fuse, and then we've got a system with the spade type fuses, and then we've got some circuit breakers here.
I think the thing, we've got a little fuse box that you can buy and or you may have on the piece of equipment that you've got where the fuses go in. The big thing to think about with the fuses is the fuse needs to be matched to the load that is going to go through it. So they're based on amperage, so you got to make sure you get the right one. And if you're blowing a fuse, the solution is not to get a bigger one and put in there. The solution is to figure out why that fuse is blowing.
You need to add up all the load on that circuit to determine what size of fuse you're going to require for that, and you need to have a little bit of overload protection.
I think the big thing to remember about fuses is the fuse is kind of the shear bolt of your electrical system. That putting a bigger shear bolt in means something else is going to fail somewhere else, so make sure that the fuse is matched to the job. Circuit breakers are another way to go.
These circuit breakers are pretty simple. You install them and hook them in line just like you would your fuse, and then once you exceed the amperage limit that's written on the face of that button, it'll pop out and disengage the circuit, break the circuit. And then when you push it back in, then it goes, connects the circuit back, and then you can start running your device again. But the same thing applies with this, is if it keeps popping this, then you've got a problem downstream from this device.
Make sure you have the right one in place. If you're wiring it yourself, you have to calculate those loads. If you're replacing them, then go back with what was put there initially because it was designed for that. So that's the thing to learn about fuses.
We appreciate you watching. See you next time on Shop Stop.